Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a star rain if I can CapCut PC. So first, you can select your video or what would you like to edit, and you are just going to go to file and select video file, select star. You can scroll down and looking for the rain, star rain. Here's star rain 2 or star rain 1. You can add to the track where you download it. So I'm going to change the aspect ratio, and you can adjust for the atmosphere and the speed. Already add the star into. Cool. That's it. Yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please like or comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.